Today we will be making a blog for our future classroom. To do this, we are going to be using Blogger, which is part of the Google series. So you will need a Gmail account in order to create. Once you have your Google account and you're logged in, you can either do a search in Google for Blogger, or you can simply come up to the top right to the Google Apps, click on it, and look for a orange box with a B inside, which is Blogger. If you've already created a Blogger before, you will have some stuff in the middle, but that is okay. And if you haven't, same place, you're going to come over here to the left-hand side. On the left-hand side, you're going to hit the drop-down arrow, and you'll see New Blog. You want to click on that new blog, and you are going to create the title that you want for your classroom. So I'm going to call this Forsyth Second Grade. Next. Now it wants an address. So just for fun, I'm going to try typing in, let's come up here and hit address, Forsyth Second Grade, and see if that is taken. So Forsyth Second Grade, I'll tell it to save. And it looks like that is an option. So now I have a website, Forsyth Second Grade, and I am ready to get started. Part of this assignment is you need to have 3 posts. To do a post, you just simply come right underneath the title and hit New Post. Brings up what looks like a Word or a Google Doc, and all I need to do is type my post. So welcome to our class. I am so excited to have you here. On your post, you can add videos, pictures, all sorts of fun things to engage your students. You are required to have 2 pictures on your blog, so remember that as you get started. And the image button is right there. So once I have my first blog ready, I can either preview it or publish it, either one. I'm just going to go ahead and publish it for sake of time. Now, that does not look very engaging for students or for me, so I want to step it up a notch, and I want to make it friendly and engaging. To do that, I'm going to come over here, left-hand side, and we're going to go down to the theme. The theme is going to be the background, and as you scroll down, you can pick any background that you want. I am looking for one that's kind of an elementary feel, so I'm going to pick, I like this one here, and I just hit apply. Now, once I've applied it, I still need to do a couple things so I can see what it looks like. But anytime throughout this whole project, when you want to see what your website looks like, you come over here to the left, down at the bottom, View Blog. So now when I hit View Blog, I've got that great background, and I've got my first post. 3 posts total, and 3 links, and 2 pictures. So let's talk about how we can add those links. Coming back up to the top, I click on my Blogger. Post is where we're adding posts, but to add links, you could of course add them into your post, but something else that's really cool is if we go down to layout. When we're in layout, this tells you basically what the Blogger page is looking like. And you can do it across the top, on the side, however you want to do it. I am going to, just for fun, do it over here on the right side. So I hit add a gadget, and it asks, well, what kind of gadget do you want? I scroll down, and I'm looking for a link list. When I click on link list, it says, well, what is the title of your link list? and I'm going to call it important links. I need to have 3, but I can have more show if I want, but just for fun, I'm going to put 3. And then I type in the name of the link and the URL. And for the URL, I suggest copying and pasting from the actual site so you get it correct. Then I hit add link, and I've got my first link. Now I can come back in and I can add another one because we need 3. Come down, add the URL, add it, and now I've got 2. And you would continue doing this until you have all of your links. So now let's go ahead and view the blog. And if you look over here on the right-hand side, there is my important links. These are just a couple tips and tricks to get you started. Play with it, have fun, and I can't wait to see what you turn in.